Hey, welcome back to Economic Build Your Economic Power, and this is James. And now we're going to talk about the 12th video, the optional income ladder. So, optional income grows in stages. Okay, small amounts of income changes psychology and gradually creates leverage. The first goal is not quitting your job. The first goal is proving you can generate income. Many people imagine building income outside their job as something huge. They picture launching a business, creating a company, building a brand, taking massive risks. And because they imagine something so big, they never start. They freeze. But building economic power usually begins much smaller than that. It begins with something simple. It's so simple. Something changes in your mind. Because once that happens, you stop seeing income as something that only comes from an employer. You begin seeing income as something you can generate. And that's where the idea of the optional income ladder becomes important. Why does small income matter? Let's start with something many people overlook. Small amounts of income matter. Yeah, they do. Not because they solve every financial problem immediately, but because they change how you think. The first time someone earns money from a skill they activated themselves, their mind shift, their mindset changes, and it shifts. For example, think about the first time you had a job and you collected that first paycheck. You were like, whoa, cool. I just did this work and now I have this paycheck. I earned money to do it. So that's kind of like where we're going here with this mind shift change. But to build your own economic power. But remember, before that moment, income feels dependent on employment. That psychological shift is so important as you're shifting from employee to start becoming independent and start making other income changes. Because once you realize you can generate income, right, you begin seeing opportunities differently. And you start seeing sometimes opportunities everywhere you go. You begin asking new questions. What else could I do, huh? What other skills could I activate? What other problems could I solve? And that curiosity is what starts building economic momentum. Let's talk about the optional income ladder now. Think of income activation like climbing a ladder, okay? Each rung represents a different stage. Rung 1, rung 2, rung 3, rung 4, so on and so forth. You just don't jump straight to the top. Nobody does that. You move one step at a time. The optional income ladder usually begins with 4 stages. The first rung is 100 bucks. The second rung is 500 bucks. The third rung is 1,000 bucks. And the fourth rung is 3,000 and beyond. Each step changes something in your financial life. But more importantly, each step changes something in your mindset, that beautiful mind that God has given you. So the $100 stage, let's start with the first rung, $100. This may sound small, but it's incredibly important because the goal at this stage is not financial transformation. The goal is actual proof that you can generate income outside your job. Maybe you activate a skill. Maybe you offer a small service. And the result is simple. Someone pays you. That moment totally matters because it removes a mental barrier. You no longer wonder if income activation is possible. You know it is. And once that barrier breaks, climbing the ladder becomes easier and easier because you've already done it once. Let's talk about the $500 stage. The next rung on the ladder is 500 bucks. Now something new happens. You begin seeing patterns. You learn what people actually need. You understand how to communicate value. You refine your offer. At this stage, income activation begins to feel repeatable. Remember rinse and repeat? It starts becoming repeatable. It's no longer just a one-time event. You begin recognizing that if you solve the problem once, you can solve it again. The realization creates momentum. 500 bucks doesn't change your entire financial life, but it does something very important. It creates breathing room, and breathing room is so important. And breathing room reduces pressure. All right, now let's talk about the $1,000 stage. Now we can reach the realm where things start becoming so interesting. That $1,000. This is where income activation becomes real leverage. An extra $1,000 per month can change many things. Think about it. It can reduce financial stress. It can accelerate debt repayment. It can increase savings. It can create flexibility. But the biggest shift is psychological because $1,000 proves something very powerful. It proves that your income is no longer dependent on one system, one job, one salary. You now have a second engine. And once someone builds that second engine, guess what? Their confidence increases dramatically. Which now we're really going to talk about that $3,000 stage. Then it's the next rung on the ladder. It's where optional income becomes truly impactful. 3,000 bucks, $3,000. At this level, your financial structure begins changing. Optional income can now cover major expenses, housing, debt, savings, investment. At this stage, you begin asking new questions. Do I want to reduce my work hours? Do I want to expand the skill? Do I want to build something larger? Do I want to build something bigger? Where am I going with this? But notice something important. This stage did not begin with a giant leap. It began with small activation, climbing the ladder one step at a time. So, why most people never climb this ladder? Now, here's the interesting part. Most people never climb this ladder, as I just said, not because the ladder is impossible, because they never step onto the first rung, that $100 rung. They wait for the perfect idea. They wait and wait for the perfect timing. They wait until they feel confident. But confidence usually comes after action, not before it, not feelings. Sometimes you have to just tie your shoe and move forward. Another reason people never start is because they imagine income activation as something complicated, but it's much simpler. Helping someone with a problem you already know how to solve, organizing something others find confusing, solving frustrations people would gladly pay you to help them with. These opportunities exist like everywhere, literally. Just got to look for them. But you only begin seeing them once you shift your mindset from employee thinking to value thinking. Instead of asking, what job can I get? What problem can I solve? That's the question you should be asking. What problem should I solve? That single shift opens doors most people never notice. And once you step onto that ladder, climbing becomes much easier. All right, let's close this out. So remember this, folks. The first goal is not quitting your job. The first goal is proving you can generate income. $100, that first rung, proves it's possible. The second rung, 500 bucks, proves it's repeatable. That third rung, $1,000, creates leverage. That fourth rung, 3,000 bucks, creates real flexibility. And it all begins with a single step onto that first rung, onto that ladder. In the next video, we're going to talk about something so practical. 3 skills, that's right, 3 skills that can turn into income faster than you think. Because most people don't need new ideas, they need to activate the skills they already have. Hey, this is James. I want to thank you for listening. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and please comment down below. It helps the YouTube push these videos further. And by the way, right now I'm staying at the Silver Springs in Idlewild, California, the Silver Springs Hotel. It's very beautiful here. I was out doing videos before in the lobby in that area. They've got a bear head above the fireplace. It's really cool. It's a wooden bear head. It's really nice, and it's got a lot of beautiful things at this hotel. Right now, I'm in a room right now where it's like almost like a. It's got wood behind me. It's really nice. I'm doing this video really late at night, so I'm trying to be quiet. Anyway, thanks for listening. God bless you. I'll see you on that next video. Okay, take care.